Good morning students. Today we will discuss types of the quadrilateral. So see children, types of the quadrilateral. First, trapezium. What is the definition of trapezium? So see children, definition of the trapezium is a quadrilateral with only one pair of opposite side is parallel to each other. Then given quadrilateral is called trapezium. So see children, it is the quadrilateral ABCD. See, in given quadrilateral ABCD, AB and DC both are parallel to each other, and AD and BC, this pair is not parallel to each other. So quadrilateral ABCD is called trapezium because its only one pair of opposite side is parallel to each other. So quadrilateral ABCD is known as trapezium. Now second, parallelogram. What is the definition of parallelogram? So see children, definition of the parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. Then it is called, or then this quadrilateral is called parallelogram. So see children, here quadrilateral PQRS. See children, this is the quadrilateral PQRS. So see here side PQ and side S are parallel to each other and they are opposite side of the quadrilateral. Here PS and QR both are parallel to each other and it is second pair of opposite side of the quadrilateral and they are also parallel to each other. So in quadrilateral PQRS, both pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. So quadrilateral PQRS is the parallelogram. Now third, rectangle. What is the definition of the rectangle? So see children, definition of the rectangle is a parallelogram with all the angles are right angle, then given quadrilateral or given parallelogram is known as rectangle. So see children, this is the parallelogram ABCD. See, this is the parallelogram ABCD and AB and DC both are parallel to each other. AD and BC both are parallel to each other, means quadrilateral ABCD, both pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. And see, angle A measurement 90 degree, angle B measurement 90 degree, angle C measurement 90 degree and angle D measurement is also 90 degree. So see children, here quadrilateral ABCD is the parallelogram and its all the angles are right angle. So quadrilateral ABCD is known as rectangle. Again I can repeat the definition of the rectangle. The definition of the rectangle is a parallelogram with all the angles are right, then given quadrilateral or given parallelogram is known as rectangle. Now fourth, square. See children, this is the figure of the square. What is the definition of the square? So see children, the definition of the square is a rectangle with all the side length are equal, then it is called square. So see children, what is the definition of the square? A rectangle with all the sides are equal in length, then given rectangle is known as square. So see children, this is quadrilateral, this is the quadrilateral ABCD. So see children, in all their opposite pairs are parallel to each other. AB and DC opposite pair, they are parallel to each other. AD and BC, it is also opposite pair and they are also parallel to each other, means AB and DC are parallel to each other, AD and BC are parallel to each other, means quadrilateral ABCD is the parallelogram. And see children, all the angles are right angles. See, angle A 90 degree, angle B 90 degree, angle C 90 degree and angle D is also 90 degree. And see children, double dash marked on each side of the quadrilateral ABCD. See, here double dash, here double dash, here double dash, here double dash. This double dash indicate that AB, BC, CD and DA, they have same length. Means length of AB, length of BC, length of CD and length of DA are same. So see children, here quadrilateral ABCD is the square because ABCD is the rectangle with all the sides are equal in length. So ABCD is the square. Now fifth, rhombus. What is the definition of the rhombus? So see children, definition of the rhombus is a parallelogram with all the sides are equal in length, then it is called rhombus. So see children, this is the parallelogram ABCD. ABCD. See, this is the parallelogram ABCD. And see children, here on side AB, BC, CD and DA, 1 dash mark. See, 1 dash mark means length of AB, length of BC, length of CD and length of DA are same. So see children, here ABCD is the parallelogram and its all the sides are equal in length. So quadrilateral ABCD is the rhombus. Why quadrilateral ABCD is the rhombus? Because quadrilateral ABCD is the parallelogram and its all the side lengths are equal. So we can say that quadrilateral ABCD is the rhombus. Now last, kite. What is the definition of the kite? So see children, definition of the kite is a quadrilateral with adjacent sides are equal in length, then given quadrilateral is known as kite. So see children, this is the figure of kite. This is the figure of kite. This PQSR is the kite. And see children, PQ and PR, they are the adjacent side and they have same length. Same way, QS and RS, both are adjacent side and they have same length. See, they have same length. So in quadrilateral PQRS, PQ and PR both are adjacent side and they have same length. QS and RS both are adjacent side and they have same length. So here in quadrilateral PQRS, adjacent sides are equal in length. So quadrilateral PQRS is called kite. Now one note, a kite is not parallelogram. So see children, the kite is not parallelogram because kites opposite pairs are not parallel to each other. So note, we have to remember, a kite is not parallelogram. So see children, this is the normal explanation of types of quadrilateral. I hope you can understand this. Thank you.